Good morning, students. Our today's topic is work. What is work, and what do you mean by work? Most often, we say that in our everyday life, all of us do some work. We do some work when we play, when we go to the school, when we go upstairs, when we pedal a bicycle, when we lift a load, and so on. Common language, we use the word work much casually. For example, if we push a wall, we say that work is done by us. Or while reading a book, we can say that we did some work, है ना? So actually, we generally use the term work to relate to the activities in our daily life. But what is actually work in physics? Actually, in physics, work is said to be done if we force applied on a body which moves it. If no motion takes place, no work is said to be done. Understood that? So we have some pictures, just like can you see man is pushing a wall, but in physics we said no work is done here. Why we said that? Because no motion or no movement is done here. While reading is a kind of mental work but not a physical work. Examples of work is a cyclist pedaling a cycle, so does a work. A horse pulling cart does work. An engine pulling a train does work. A coolie lifting a box does work. A boy going up a stair does work. A boy lifting a book does work. Just see this picture, students. Here, this is a boy. He is lifting a book. When he lifting the book, you can say he does some work. So another picture is there. It is a boy climbing up stairs. So he does work because he is his body is displaced from one place to another. Displacement अगर है तो work होता है. So work is also done by a force. If the force applied on a body अगर किसी चीज़ पे कोई हम फोर्स लगाएं और उसका साइज और शेप चेंज होता है तो आप कह सकते हो कि उस पर कोई वर्क हुआ है. कुछ ऐसे ही, जैसे देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पे एक रबर बॉल है, इसको स्क्वीज किया आपने. स्क्वीज करने से ये थोड़ा सा इसका जो है शेप चेंज हो गया. तो यू कैन से दैट वर्क इज डन इन चेंजिंग द शेप एंड साइज ऑफ अ बॉल. अगर कोई इफ समवन इज स्ट्रेचिंग अ रबर बैंड, कुछ अगर आप रबर बैंड को स्ट्रेच करते हो, यू कैन से दैट अ वर्क इज डन. तो अ पर्सन डज नो वर्क इफ देयर इज नो चेंज इन पोजिशन और नो मोशन इवन आफ्टर. So students, here the factors affecting the amount of work, क्या क्या factors जो है वो एक्चुअली वर्क को जो है अफेक्ट करते हैं. पहला तो है मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स अप्लाइड. कैसे? सो फर्स्ट वन वी कैन से इफ अ लॉट ऑफ फोर्स इज अप्लाइड टू अ बॉडी, इट मूव्स द बॉडी large distance in the direction. You can see in the picture. The second factor is the distance moved by the body in the direction of force. How can we define work? Work होता क्या है बेटा? So work is done by a force on a body is equal to the product of the force applied and the distance moved by the body in the direction of force. So that is work done is equals to force into distance moved in the direction of force. Which means work को हम कैसे define कर सकते हैं? Force, applied force into distance moved in the direction of force. For example, you can see the example. It will also show in your book or in your screen also. अगर कोई फोर्स है, लेट अ फोर्स बी अप्लाइड ऑन अ बॉडी. इस बॉडी पे अगर हम कोई फोर्स लगाते हैं जो इसे मूव कर देता है फ्रॉम पोजीशन ए टू पोजीशन बी, तो यहाँ पर जो अप्लाइड फोर्स है, डिस्टेंस इसने कितना लिया ए से बी तक मूव करने में, डी. तो दैट इज द अप्लाइड फोर्स कितना है, जो वर्क डन कितना है, दैट इज द अप्लाइड फोर्स इनटू द डिस्टेंस. तो दैट इज W इज इक्वल्स टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट और डिस्टेंस. So obviously if a force act on a body and the body does not move, so no work is done. That means अगर आप we can say that अगर displacement नहीं है तो not a work is done. Students, इसका पार्ट 2 मैं कल आपके लिए सेंड करूँगी. So सबसे पहले it is my humble request, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, please.